Want to create a high-energy salesman edit that grabs attention and goes viral? Check out this. Looks amazing, right? The best part, you don't need to be an editing expert to create such viral edits. In this video, I'll show you how to make a viral salesman edit using HitPaw Edimakor, a powerful and easy-to-use video editing tool. So, if you're ready to create a scroll-stopping, engagement-boosting salesman edit, let's dive in. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor and import your files. First, launch HitPaw Edimakor on your computer. Grab it from the link in the description if you haven't downloaded it yet. Once it's set up, import your video clips and background music to begin editing. Step 2. Music beat detection. Next, drag and drop your music track onto the timeline. Right-click on the audio layer, select Beat Detection, and choose Fast. This will automatically detect and mark the beats, making it easier to align your clips with the rhythm. Step 3. Cut and adjust your video clips. Now drag your short video clips onto the timeline and adjust their duration to match the beats. Use the speed ramping feature to change the playback speed for a dynamic attention-grabbing effect. Step 4. Add eye-catching effects and transitions. To make your edit more engaging, go to Effects, Video Effects on the left panel. Search for Blur and Vignette, then drag them onto the timeline, stretching them to cover the entire video. For smoother transitions, go to Transitions and add these transitions. Set the transition duration between 0.3 to 0.5 seconds for a seamless flow. Step 5. Final review and export. Before exporting, play back your video to check for smooth transitions, perfect timing, and engaging effects. Once you're happy with the final result, click Export and choose your preferred resolution. Hit Export to save your viral-ready salesman edit. And that's it. You've just created a viral salesman edit using HitPaw Edimakor, all without needing professional editing skills. Now, go ahead and share your masterpiece on social media and watch the engagement roll in. Got any questions or need more editing tips? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow video editing tutorials. See you in the next one.